Hi, my name is Ernesto, and I will present now an app that I have been working for the last 4 months and a half, 5 months. So Olive is an app that is a health app. So it's for people that has problems to keep track of their results in the gym, or for person who wants to eat more healthy, or for families that actually needs to keep track of the agenda of each other. So the process design that I used was most focused in this diamond strategy that is not a linear project. That means that every time that I have or a problem to solve or I am stuck, I can return to the not beginning, but I can return in the process and redo some tasks or some parts of the products that is actually not working so well. So at the beginning, I have to find or to do a discovery phase, yeah, to find out the problems and what could I actually improve. So I did a competitor analysis to find out the strengths, the weakness, the opportunities that my application would overcome. And I also did then surveys and interviews with possible users of the app. And with them, I then create a problem statement that is Oliver app users need a way to keep track of health conditions, easily communicate with their health insurance also. Being able to book an appointment with the doctors because they want to avoid future health problems and use the same app to communicate with other players like health insurance. We will know this to be true when we see a good review of the app and the number of users growing every month. So, understanding the user's need. Uh, Before I started to plan the app, I had to do interviews and surveys to understand the users. So with the the research that I did, I could create personas focus on my target as a public. So I had three personas divided by age. I did one for uh, younger users, the age of 25, 20, that mostly goes to the gym. For middle age, 45, 40 years old, that will be uh, young mothers or family that is starting, and also for the elderly that normally needs to be taken care by their sons or their daughters. It was good to create these personas because they could understand a little bit easier how they actually act and what they needs they need to have. So with these, I create also user test flows and user flows to understand how the app would be used, how they were gonna have to use the app by the tasks they have to do to actually achieve what they want. With this, I create then a sitemap that was the beginning actually of the creativity part, like to know how the app would actually be formed. So I had like a homepage. From the homepage, you could get to the new user or for the login user. And with the new user, you have the onboarding. And then we come to the dashboard, the home of the the app. And with the dashboard, you could find then the fitness, the profile, meals, and health. And settings is we decided to put in another menu, but also being part of the main one. And of course, then for each one, you could go to different features that the app would have. Having this sitemap, then I started to do the prototype. And the prototype was early done in the low fidelity, that only wireframes, like no informations, just like the positions of where the informations would be. Then I created mid fidelity, also nothing written, but a little bit better to understand and to see how it could work. And then I create a high fidelity one with then some text and also icons, so the person could actually use this and try to better understand. And with this app, I did some tests. I did some user tests, and then of course return with some interviews, some research, and I created at the end then a high fidelity one. There's the final prototype that is here for the to the tests. Yeah, and I decided for the next steps, I still need to complete the prototype with all the features that I have. The usability test complete with all the features, and also to do research for new features, things that maybe the app is still has to be improved, can be added. Okay, I really enjoyed to do this project. I learned a lot. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this part of the video. Okay, thank you.